In today's video, I'm going to teach you converting Google Sheets to Excel. We'll walk through the simplest and most reliable way to download a Google Sheet as a Microsoft Excel file while preserving most of your formatting, formulas, charts, and data validation. This is quick, works the same on Windows, Mac, and Chromebook, and gives you a clean .xlsx file you can open in Excel right away. First, open the Google Sheet in your browser. Make sure you're looking at the correct file and the tab you want to review is visible. If it's a shared spreadsheet, you'll be downloading a snapshot of its current state, so it's a good idea to confirm everything is up to date before you proceed. Next, go to the top menu and click File. Hover over Download and then select Microsoft Excel, type XLSX. As soon as you click that option, Google Sheets will package the entire workbook, every visible sheet tab included, into a single .xlsx file. You might see a brief progress indicator, and then the file will be saved to your computer. The downloaded file typically lands in your default Downloads folder with the same name as your Google Sheet and the .xlsx extension. If your browser asks where to save it, choose your preferred location. Once it's downloaded, open the file in Microsoft Excel to verify everything looks right. Depending on your settings, Excel may open the file in a read-only or protected view because it came from the internet. That's normal behavior. Now, take a moment to scan through your workbook. Most formatting, like fonts, colors, borders, and number formats, should carry over. Common formulas usually translate well, and charts and data validation typically remain intact. Keep in mind, though, that a few Google-specific features may not have direct equivalents in Excel. For example, functions such as Google Finance or certain Google-only formulas won't calculate in Excel and may appear as errors or plain text. Similarly, filter views and some advanced chart styles might not behave exactly the same. If something looks off, check the affected cell or chart to see whether an Excel alternative is needed. That's really all there is to it. You've opened your Google Sheet, downloaded it as an .xlsx file, and verified it in Excel. This method is fast, preserves most of what you've built, and keeps your workflow smooth when you need to share or work offline in Excel. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Sheets tips and tutorials.